Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. Today I want to talk about a problem that I've been having playing Netflix videos in Google Chrome. So let's watch a video right now. And you can see that I'm watching this video on Netflix, and you can see the frame in the video is jumping. Okay, so it goes a little bit and then it hops between frames. There are often some pauses, and it's almost impossible to watch a video when it's like this. Okay, it's not very smooth. So what I propose the solution is if you have a look, I'm going to copy this address, and I'm going to open up Microsoft Edge. And notice how my Google Chrome is still open. So it's still taking up memory and all that. But in Microsoft Edge, if I paste the address and watch the same video, and let's see whether there are still jumps in the frame in the video. So you can see it's the exact same video, and I'm just playing it in the Microsoft Edge browser. And you can see that the video is smooth, okay, just like you're watching a normal movie. Very smooth. No hopping between frames, and you can just enjoy the movie properly. Okay, so that's my solution to how to fix this problem. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.